Right, yeah. I'm gonna take me a drink too.
You just happened to bring this up in the safety meeting this morning.
Yeah, I know.
Good thing I said that this morning.
I know. Now everybody knows exactly what to do. Yeah, can somebody get the Enterprise? I'm sorry. Please.
None of you guys listened to me this morning, so I'm going to pull the fire alarm anyway.
Can somebody please get the Enterprise?
You didn't listen, so.
I need a crew to get the Enterprise. I'm sorry, buddy.
I need my sunglasses.
So we have a real legitimate fire alarm pull at this way, guys. We have a legitimate fire alarm pull at stage 25 of Universal Studios.
Hey, Kenny.
Yeah, buddy. What's that?
Yeah, just keep it down.
I'm just saying, it's fire, everybody. Get the hell out. You need to hear this. You need to hear it. I don't want anybody burning up. We go in the Enterprises in ashes. Oh.
That's how it all became CGI.
Yeah, that's how the movie became CG. We have one shot. The photons. The photons.
Every time the Enterprise is just one shot.
I know. It's a photon shot. All right, yeah, this is...
Ship looks like a lower 45 going this way or that way.
very, very interesting.
Yeah, it would just as likely
This
be
may
upside down
be
and right side up.
either a drill or something's on fire, stage 25.
Way to go, Lee. Way to go.
Yeah. His hair's a fire hazard. I was looking at some great shots of our shoot from before, and you're in every one of them. So there's a lot of shots we can go through and have fun looking at. Look at This is I don't see a fire. I do hope that everything's okay. This is the bus to get us out of here. The escape bus. Man.
Where's Autumn this morning?
She's on her way. She misses everything, doesn't she? This is what it's all about right here. These are the memories.
I was at Universal when there was a fire drill. I'll never forget it.
Stage 25, guys. Stage 25. It's on fire. It's on fire, everyone.
Don't say that. I'll be right back in my camera.
I know. I know. Everything in there I want. Okay, there's tons of stuff. I'll probably burn alive because I'm going to be getting it.
Like this, and you crack through the door.
I could not care
Open
less.
the door!
I would have beer muscles. I would have Enterprise muscles. I'm not going to let it burn.
Did you see the DeLorean over there, Kenny?
Is there a DeLorean?
He's got a DeLorean dressed up over.
Oh, okay. No, I'll go check it out.
Has a Florida
We'll be
license
seeing when we
plate.
walk over in a second.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And it's also
Yeah, but
Hey, Kenny,
Yeah.
why don't you not do it? So
Because I don't see. I'll give it to them as safety footage. Everybody can test how it went. This is for posterity. Anyway,
they're gonna trespass the director.
I'll start. I'll stop now because Zeke is worried, but I will start back again when we go back in.